How to change notification settings on iPhone X? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Tap the app whose notifications you want to manage. Now, you can turn Allow Notifications on or off. If notifications are enabled, you can customize how they're delivered. You can choose where they appear by selecting the lock screen, notification center, or banners options. You can also choose the banner style, turn sounds and badges on or off, and enable or disable options like show previews or notification grouping, depending on the app and your version of iOS. Once you've made your changes, simply go back. Your settings will be saved automatically. Repeat these steps for any other apps you'd like to customize. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification settings on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.